Sa unang gabi ng lamay para sa pumanaw na si Alexa Gutierrez, ay bumuhos ng pakikiramay ang natanggap ng pamilya mula sa kanilang mga malalapit na kaibigan sa industriya. Matatandaan na naibalita na sumakabilang buhay ang misis ni Elvis Gutierrez nitong nakaraang Sabado, July 27 dahil sa sakit na leukemia. Siya ay 38 years old. Nakalagak ang mga labi ni Alexa sa Santuario de San Antonio Church sa Forbes Park, Makati, at nakatakda siyang ihatid sa huling hantungan sa darating na Huwebes, August 1. Samantala nagpaabot naman ng pakikiramay ang ex-husband ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Ilmas Bectas sa pagpanaw ni Alexa. Anito sa kanyang Instagram post, as the Bectas family, we share the pain of the loss of the Gutierrez family. As the Bectas family, we offer our condolences to the Gutierrez family. Ilmas Bectas. Kasabay nito ang nakakaantig rin na mensahe ni Lorin Gutierrez sa kanyang tita Alexa na ipinaabot niya sa pamamagitan ng Instagram post. Yun din ang naging mensahe ni Sara Lahbati na halos madurog na ang puso sa sobrang kalungkutan. Anya, forever in my heart, my sister, I love you. I can't wrap my head around, way too soon Lex, it's not fair. Nagbigay rin ng mensahe si Raymond Gutierrez para sa pumanaw niyang sister-in-law. You will forever be in our hearts, Annie Raymond. I am still trying to process and accept that you are no longer with us. It's so hard, words cannot express how heartbroken and shocked I am. I love you so much, my beautiful, irreplaceable Alexa. You will forever be in my thoughts and in my heart. Until we cross paths again. Ang naging post ni Rufa Gutierrez. Nagbigay na rin ng madamdaming mensahe ang asawa ni Alexa na si Elvis sa pumanaw niyang asawa. Muli nitong binalikan ang masasayang araw nila ng asawa kalakip ang isang larawan. Anito, you were 19, I was 22, this was the first day you learned how to drive. I wanted to capture how happy you were, you called me the best driving teacher. I miss you so much, Alexa. Labis nga ang pagdadalamhati ngayon ni Elvis Gutierrez sa pagpanaw ng kanyang asawa dahil sa sakit na leukemia. Samantala sa unang gabi ng lamay ni Alexa, ay sumayaw pa ang isa sa mga anak nila ni Elvis na si Ezra, tila pinipilit nga nito na maging masaya sa kabila ng pagpanaw ng ina.
First day of my second session of chemo. We'll see how the second session will go. I just did my blood extraction. It didn't hurt. The next thing that they're gonna do is they're gonna put a, what is it called, babe? IJ. IJ, it's a interjugular catheter where they'll be getting yeah, but they're gonna be getting the blood from there so they don't need to keep injecting me, and that's where they're also gonna be getting where they're gonna be putting the chemo. And this time around we got a bigger room and I'm not used to it, but my husband is so happy. We only had to pay an extra 1,000 pesos. So we are in the deluxe room and my husband is happy because the bed is bigger and the size of the room is so much bigger, but look at the view.
And there's Disney Plus.
And there may be Disney Plus. So he's happy about it. But I'm a bit scared of this painting. This picture of the bee. But yeah, today is the first day. We'll see how tomorrow goes.